pointed a finger at me. Said I'm a whiskey drinking, cowboy chasing hell of a time. I like Kenny, Keith, Allen, and Patsy Cline. I'm a full-grown queen bee looking for honey. Hi-ooh, I'll play something country. Yeah, the band took a break. The DJ played P. Diddy. She said I didn't come here to hear something thumping from the city. Said I shaved my legs, I paid my money. Hi-ooh, play something country. Hi-ooh, I'll play something country. Crank up the band, play the steel guitar. Hank it up a little, let's rock this bar. Threw back a shot, yelled I'm a George Strait junkie. Hi-ooh, play something country. Hi-ooh, I'll play something country. Well, the bartender, yeah, y'all, it's closing time. She got this wild look on her face and said, your truck or mine, I know a place down the road is kind of fun.